In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Keepa for free. If you've heard about Keepa's powerful price tracking for Amazon and want the essentials without paying, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick so you can start saving money right away. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type keepa.com and go to the official website. You can browse around immediately and use Keepa without paying. No credit card, no trial, just the free features available right away. If you like to keep things organized, you can click Sign Up on the site to create a free account. This is optional, but it can help you save your settings and keep your basic tracking and alerts tied to your account. If you'd rather skip that for now, no problem. You can start using Keepa's tools with no payment needed. Next, let's install the Chrome extension to make Keepa show up automatically on Amazon pages. In your browser's search bar, type Keepa Chrome extension. Look for the result that takes you to the Chrome web store. Open it and click Add to Chrome, then confirm. The extension is 100% free, and installation usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's added, you don't have to do anything fancy. Keepa will appear on supported product pages and begin displaying helpful information. Now you can start using the free features. The most visible tool is the price history chart. When you visit an Amazon product page, you'll see a graph that shows how the price has changed over time. This helps you decide if a current deal is actually good or if it might drop again soon. You can also set up price drop alerts so you're notified when an item reaches your target price. And you get basic product tracking, which is perfect for keeping tabs on items you're considering. These essentials are included at no cost. To recap, you can use Keepa without paying, either straight from the website or with the Chrome extension for a smoother experience on Amazon. No payment is needed, and the free plan is permanent. It doesn't expire. That means you can rely on price history charts, price drop alerts, and basic product tracking whenever you shop. That's all you need to get Keepa for free. Give it a try on a few products you're watching, and you'll quickly see how much easier it is to time your purchases and avoid overpaying. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smarter shopping with Keepa.